everybody, welcome to our first putting on a seatbelt video. As always, it's important to take data on the student in order to move them from a state of dependence to being more independent. Okay, step 1, walks to the vehicle. Opens door. Gets in. And he gets in and he closes the car door. Remembers to put his belt on. Okay, he reaches back and grabs the seatbelt. He pulls it forward in a wide arc. And he inserts the seatbelt into the lock. And he clicks the seatbelt into the lock. Does your son or daughter have trouble grabbing his seatbelt? Get him this grabber thing I found online. $7.98. If you put your thumb over the 98, what number comes after 7? $8.